You're listening to the Ask Drone U podcast. You ask, we answer your drone questions. Whether you're here to turn your passion into profit or you simply fly for fun, we're a community of learners and teachers who aspire to achieve greatness. We are
Drone U.
Aloha, and welcome to another very friendly edition of Ask Drone U. My name is Paul.
And my name is Rob, and this is episode 829. Thank you guys for hanging out with us today. Hope you're getting a lot of flying in. It's been a little hot here, so we can't really fly in the middle. We can.
Yeah, it's actually going to hit 100 today, and even on the weather, they're like, it typically doesn't hit 100 in Albuquerque. We only get that maybe 3 times a year. But today is one of those days. I mean, we're not like Phoenix. We're up pretty high. You know what it means. If it's going to be 100 degrees today, density altitude is going to be quite low. So be careful. Make sure you check density altitude before you fly wherever you are going to fly. But very excited for today's show. You guys ever heard this stuff before? We're talking about, look, you bought a drone from Best Buy. You're on the dark side. You decide to join the force, the light side, and you get your license. But you're in the process of getting your license, and you got some really cool footage. Can you sell it, or what's the proper way to go about selling that footage so that you don't incur any liability? That's pretty much what we're going to be talking about today in our episode of Ask Drone U.
Cool. So do you have a drone business up and running already? Well, we want to tell you about Schedudrone, Schedudrone.com specifically. They are an app online that allows drone service providers to put their business on autopilot so that you can get back to doing what you love to do, which is fly, serve your clients, build your business, and not having to worry about all those details like invoicing, contracts, pricing, all of that kind of stuff. Although you're still going to have to deal with some of that stuff, they're going to help you make it a more efficient process. You can check them out at Schedudrone.com. You can get 25% off by using the code DRONEU, all lowercase, and that's going to be 25% off for as long as you use their service. And by the way, you can go check them out for 15 days for free to see if what they have is going to be something that you want to use. And I think if you check them out, you probably will. So Schedudrone.com.
Hey guys, love the podcast. My name's Brian, and I'm a brand new drone owner. I have registered under 336. I am studying for 107, but here's the question. If for some strange reason I do get some kind of great footage now, just playing around, and somebody approaches me later to use that, how is that handled? Is this footage pretty much not available at all because I am just under 336? Or after I obtain my 107, is this previous footage still okay to sell or give it to somebody else to use, like on a website? Kind of curious. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you, Brian. That is a really good question. And I think there are a lot of folks out there that have that same question, not really knowing how to handle that, because the reality is you're just out not necessarily having the intent of getting footage to sell. You're just flying your drone, having a great time, practicing.
Which is great. A lot of people also ask the question, can I even fly under Part 101 and hobby rules once I have my Part 107? And if you're practicing and it's not for the furtherance of your business, then you absolutely can.
Sure.
So I think his question is simple. If I'm out, I'm practicing, I go to Sedona, of all places, and I want to go flying off the airport runway because it is in Class G airspace, and Scottsdale FSDO still knows about it. But the airport manager at Sedona will run you off the runway. But if you want to go get some beautiful shots there, and then you realize National Geographic wants your stuff, and you're like, oh no, I don't have a license. I could get in trouble. They could get in trouble if they buy this photo. This is bad. He decides to get his Part 107 license. He's got his temporary license. Can he sell the images he already took in the past?
Yeah, I think so.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Good answer. Final answer, yes. Yes, you can. So you totally can. They even put out a memo about that. Since we have been on a podcasting roll, though, I'm going to kill this show kind of early. In fact, actually, before we go, let me do one thing really, really quick, okay? One thing. Let's do a test question. What do you say?
Let's do it.
Okay. Next question. Risk management as a part of the aeronautical decision-making process relies on which features to reduce the risks associated with each flight? Risk management as a part of aeronautical decision-making process relies on which features to reduce the risks associated with each flight? Answer 1, application of stress management and risk element procedures. Number 2, situational awareness, problem recognition, and good judgment. Answer number 3, the mental process of analyzing all information in a particular situation and making a timely decision on what action to take.
None of those sound bad. It's a tough question. I'm going to say B.
Wow, good job, Rob. B is the answer. Situational awareness, problem recognition, and good judgment. Did you look at my phone?
I did not.
I need a privacy screen on my phone.
I'm going to go take the test.
All right. On that bombshell, that's going to do it for us today. If you need to take your Part 107 recency test, don't forget, Drone U has 3 classes that fit your unique learning style, all available for one low monthly price. Check it out, droneu.education. My name is Paul.
I'm Rob.
This is Ask Drone U.